Design is the act of seeing something that we want to be better, and then the activity of making it better.
To me, design is a tool. It's not a luxury, it's a discipline. Everybody needs design.
If you look at what's happening now, there have been fundamental changes in the way people think about problems, the kinds of problems that occur, and certainly the impact on design.
Design thinking was a term that arose in order to distinguish between what others think of as design, which is usually just the surface, to the thinking behind. Thinking is something you do first, and then you make.
Design thinking is everywhere. And I think that that can happen in marketing, it can happen in design, it can happen in accounting. It's solutioning unconventionally.
Design thinking helps us to decide what to do, that allow people to be problem solvers using their explicit thinking, but also using the learning by doing.
When you drive, you only have about a half a second to 1 second where you can look away. Stare at the white dot and tell me what you see. Tell me how much fuel I have in the car.
But I have problems with the term design thinking. First of all, if you're only thinking, then you're not doing, and you have to do in order to know, and you have to know in order to think better. So that's really a loop, and design thinking tends to isolate it as if it can be isolated.
The way designers think is not this sort of scientific, rational, analytical way.
You know, designers do not have to design. I think it's the design mind that is really special, and the ability to come up with creative solutions and to solve complex problems. And the fact that they may do it without designing is not a liability, it's actually a strength.